Hello, in this video let me continue from the previous one and introduce how to export multiple animations from a single 3ds Max file at the same time. So let's first open our 3ds Max and open the sample file. You can find there's an anime group file in the sample folder. So let's open that. You can see there's a character in the scene, and let's select any part of this character, and there are 3 different clips on the same character in a single file. From this frame 0 to about 34, it's a walk cycle, and then the second there's a run cycle, and the last frames remain is a jump action. So we're going to convert these animations to the 3 different resources at the same time. Let's open the AnimCraft. There's the animation group settings. You can see that we can split the animations into the 3 different groups in this manager. So let's do that. The first one is the walk cycle, and the frame is from 0 to about 34, and we hit create, so you can see there's an information inserted into the list, the walk, and 0 to 44, and from the 36 to about you can see the the right foot down, 36 to 53, 36 to 53, and the name should be run. Okay, let's click create. This is our second animation clip, and then the last remain the frames from about the frame 58 to about 120. It's jump. That's because in the previous video we already created the jump, so the name is repeated. Let's just name it as, for example, jump 1, and then hit create. Okay, that's done. Let's close this window and export the animation just the same as the previous video, and click the animation and AnimCraft export AnimCraft animation data, and select the folder. For example, let's create a new folder in this place. And the right click and the right click new folder is anim group grp, and then let's give it this prefix for those of the animations, like for example the group. Okay, and click save. And we're going to select which file formats we want to export, the same as the previous video. Let's by default select every one of them and click export. So after a short time, you can see there's an information that mention that everything is successfully exported, and click OK, and we can locate this exported file through the Windows Explorer and G Drive, AC, the resource, and the sample, and the anime group. You can see there are 3 different the animation resource we exported from a single 3ds Max file. So let's import those of the resource into the AnimCraft. Let's open that in the AnimCraft and select where we want to save these resources, and right click and open the folder, and then let's click Ctrl C and then Ctrl V to paste the resource to the folder. And finally we needed to refresh the folder, and you can see there are 3 the new resource in this folder. Let's select, and our system will automatically render it. If you are not satisfied the angle, you can adjust that and click this re-render and re-render it GIF preview. And you can see that these 3 different resources has been imported to the AnimCraft. Okay, this is an animation group exporting and importing to AnimCraft. Thank you for watching. See you next time.